Hi everyone, welcome to Hein Academy, and in this video I'm going over on multiplication table of 2, and I want to show you a quick trick on how you can actually memorize multiplication table of 2 so that it will make your life so much easier. So it will give you a quick head start in solving problems in class, homework, exam, and also it will help you immensely in your real life as well. So now let's get started. For multiplication table of 2, we are going with this trick of 2 times 1 and it's equal to 2. And now let's go over to 2 times 2. That means we are adding 2 times here. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And let's go to 2 times 3. In this case, we are adding 2 3 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, and now 2 times 3, which we are adding 2 3 times, that would be 6. And now let's go to 2 times 4. That would be adding 2 4 times. Bear with my handwriting. This is my first time using Wacom board, so I need some time to get used to it. So please bear with me on that. And now we have, when you add 2 3 times, you get 6. And now when you add 2 4 times, that would be 8. So do you see a pattern here? We have added 2 on the previous result and we get 4 here. And when you add 2 to 4, we get 6. And here we get 8 when you add plus 2 to 6. So there is a pattern going on if you actually notice it. So now let's go over to 2 times 5. That will be adding 2 5 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that would be 10, right? So we're adding here plus 2. And let's go to 2 times 6. That would be adding 2 6 times. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be 12. And again, we have a difference of 2 here and so on. 2 times 7, that would be adding 2 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That would be 2 times 4 is equal to 14. And now if you can see that there is a trend that, in the multiplication table of 2, we have an increase of 2 from the previous number. So when you go all the way down here, there is an increase of 2 on the pattern here, and so that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. The pattern is there is an increase of 2 in multiplication table of 2. I hope this helps in helping you memorize multiplication table of 2. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.